This morning my son asked me, "Mommy, can it be Boo Baby Muffy Day?" So today was Blueberry Muffin Day. We made these soft and delicious eggless blueberry muffins. Let me quickly share the recipe with you. Before we start, let's preheat our ovens to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. To a big bowl, add half a cup of white granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of any neutral cooking oil, half a cup of plain unsweetened yogurt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We are going to whisk all of these thoroughly for 30 seconds or so till it forms a smooth, silky and glossy paste, like that. Next, we'll sift in our dry ingredients. We are going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Oh, and before we proceed, take a little bit of the all-purpose flour and mix it into half a cup of blueberries. This will prevent the blueberries from sinking to the bottom of the muffins. Alright, moving on. Let's add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sift everything into the wet ingredients. Baking powder always has little clumps like that, so break those up and make sure that everything goes inside the cake batter. Combine the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients using the cut and fold method. We want to make sure not to overmix here. And lastly, to break up any clumps, we want to whisk it briefly so we end up with a smooth batter like that. Hey, if you want exciting recipes like this every week, subscribe to my channel. Lastly, we want to add in half a cup of blueberries that we had dusted with all-purpose flour. I'm saving a little bit just to top my muffins with later. Make sure to gently fold in the blueberries. Don't overmix the batter. We don't want dense blueberry muffins, do we? Ready to pour the batter into muffin cups. I'm adding approximately 2.5 tablespoons to each muffin cup. Tap it 2 or 3 times to get rid of air bubbles and top it with some leftover blueberries. And now it's time to bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. Hey, if you're liking this recipe, do give me a thumbs up. You will know when the muffins are perfectly baked when a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean and your kitchen is filled with the aroma of these beautiful Boo Baby Muffies. These are soft and moist, and the blueberries inside form this like these little pockets of jam. It is so delicious. I'm telling you, you've got to try this. Oh, and one question you may have. You can totally use frozen blueberries for this recipe. Just take it out of the freezer, coat it in flour and pop them into the batter. So that's all for today, my friends, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't miss out on exciting recipes. Press that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to press the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I would love it if you would follow me. Oh, and if you want to skip all my blabbering, just go to my blog and get the written recipe. All the links are in the description. Alright then, bye-bye.